Kuyas. Congratulations on winning the champion in the Battle of the Bands. So, firstly po, mga ano po ang pangalan nila at ang pangalan po ng banda?
Ako po si Jana Ivan Tabios.
Romel Kula po. Ako si Henry.
Ini po yung Cutie Batuti.
Ipatuti. So, Kuya, what was the first thing that came to your mind when your name was announced as a winner?
Naisip po talaga namin nung una, nung hindi pa po kami tinawag. Is either wala na po talaga kami. Ginawa naman po namin yung best namin, pero sa tingin po namin medyo hindi po kami sobrang confident dun sa performance since iba po yung naririnig namin dahil iba po yung parang monitor namin na napapakinggan doon. And yun po, sobrang happy po kami nung narinig po namin.
Ano po?
Sige, yung unang tanong.
Ako sa akin kasi maraming matindi yung laban ngayong this year. Kasi last year, first placer kami pero matindi din talaga yung laban. Pero mas matindi yung ngayon kasi di mo talaga di ka makapag-expect and di ka rin assured kung ano yung magiging kung first placer ka or wala or champion ka. So unexpected na tinawag kami as a champion.
Who do you want to dedicate this victory to and why?
Siyempre, for me, sa pamilya ko, for always supporting me. Pag wala na akong pera, bibigyan na lang ako pang studio. And of course, sa mga supportive teacher ko, and then dito sa mga bandmates ko, and of course, sa girlfriend ko.
Dedicate ko po ito siyempre sa family ko and David, thank you po kay Lord. And siyempre po sa girlfriend ko po na sobrang supportive din sa mga gigs ko and sa mga battle po namin. And siyempre po, naglag na rin po dito sa mga classmates namin na mga supportive. And pati na rin po sa studio, which is Boss Alan. Thank you po, Boss Alan. May inspire po kami nito na magpatuloy po as a band and mag-continue po na sa mga tatry po namin pumasok mag-perform sa mga gigs. And siyempre po, ina-aim po namin yung next po nito is yung sa cluster po.
For me kasi, of course, last year na-inspire namin to do better and galingan pa namin. First runner-up kami last year and ngayon, champion na. And of course, cluster namin, mas gagalingan pa namin. And of course, dala namin ang pangalan ng STI College Fairview. Ayun.
Thank you and congratulations po! Guys, a big congratulations to your band. Ang galing nyo kanina, promise. So, ang tanong ko lang is, what was the first thing that came to your mind when the name was announced as a winner?
First of all, nakaka-shock kasi di ko akalain na ganito yung magiging result ng pinaghirapan namin. Everyone deserves the champ, but nakakayak, sobrang nakaka-proud tong mga to, lalo na mga students ko. Thank you guys sa tiwala, mahal na mahal ko kayo. Kaya yung first thing talaga naramdaman ko is, I'm so glad na panalo kami.
Who do you dedicate this victory to and why?
I dedicate this victory to everybody who supported us, especially to my mom who supported me throughout the whole journey of us preparing for this competition.
I-dedicate ko to para sa akin kasi pangalawang sali ko na po to and ngayon lang po ako na-champion since last year po is first runner-up na po pero still win po. Pero iba po talaga kasi yung feeling pag champion po talaga eh. So, see you po in cluster.
Ano naman po is, sasag ko rin po. Kasi di ko rin akalain na mananalo or what. Kasi ayaw rin namin makampante or kaya sobrang proud ako sa sarili ko and sa mga kasama ko na narating namin to kahit na sobrang dami namin pinagdaanan.
First of all po, gusto ko po i-dedicate yung victory na to for my mom kasi po dapat po attend siya ngayon pero po nagkaroon po ng personal problem and syempre hindi naman po ako ganun ka-childish na pero okay lang po, yun po. Pero hindi ko pa po na-update yung nanay ko.
How will this achievement inspire future journey both in school and beyond?
Winning this championship, at first, it is unexpected for us to win this. We worked hard for every single part of this piece that we did, and this will inspire us to do better. We will strive for success wherever we go, to cluster and hopefully to nationals, and even outside school.
And yeah, sometimes guys, you just have to go beyond the box. Para sa lahat, labas tayo lagi sa comfort zone natin, labas tayo sa lahat ng mga nakasanayan natin. Malay mo, there's always something new waiting for you there. And try it, try nang try. Yun lang. Mahal ko kayo guys.
Good day. Congratulations, Miss and Mr. STI. What was the first thing that came to your mind when your name was announced as a winner?
STI actually, it is very unexpectedly. Like, actually even didn't process it in my mind kasi it is really the first title that I've ever had in my life in every pageant that I joined. So, the first thing was speechless and my mind was blocked and I was just thanking God and so grateful and blessed that I'm not the crown. See you sa Cluster STI!
For me, pangatlong beses ko na kasi ito sumali. So, sobrang nakakagulat kasi finally na-reach ko na yung dream na talagang pinapangarap ko dati. And yun lang. Thank you.
Who do you want to dedicate this victory to and why?
I want to dedicate this victory to my supportive mother, which sa tuwing meron akong pageant or events dito sa STI, lagi siyang nanonood. And kaya gusto kong magpasalamat sa kanya and I'm grateful for her kahit na lagi kami nag-aaway or which is normal sa mother and son since only child niya lang ako. Thank you.
Dedicate ko tong Corona to my mom especially. Lagi naman, always, every time that I join pageant, the crown that I will have is for the head of my mom. And of course, for the STI, I will fight this because I'm very dedicated for this. We will get the crown national. Thank you so much.
How will this achievement inspire your future journey, both in school and beyond?
Actually, this journey is very magical, ano? Kasi very unexpected eh. So, it's not about the crown. It's about the journey. So, as I committed to that process, masasalo kami that I should be happy na guys God. I can really do it, anything. That's why.
For me naman, mas magiging eager pa ako lalo na magdagdagan yung achievements pa na meron ako. And because of that, gusto ko pa mag-continue and gusto ko pa mag-inspire pa lalo na sa ibang tao. And yun lang. Thank you.
Yes, thank you po and congratulations. Congratulations.